I was a famous astronaut. I was on the Apollo 11 space flight. I said, that's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. I was the first man on the moon. I am Neil Armstrong. I am a country in South America. My flag is green, blue, yellow and white. My official language is Portuguese. If you visit me, you may see Copacabana Beach or the Christ the Redeemer statue. My capital city is Brasilia. I am Brazil. I am usually round. I am a popular food. I am often associated with Italy. I am made with dough. I can have many different toppings. I am pizza. I was a king of England. I lived during the Tudor period. My first wife was called Catherine of Aragon. I had 6 wives in total. I am King Henry VIII. I lived about 150 million years ago. I was a herbivore. My name means roof lizard. I had bony plates along my neck, back and tail. I am Stegosaurus. I am a famous landmark. I am around 330 meters tall. I am made from wrought iron and I have a lattice design. I am located in Paris. I am the Eiffel Tower. I am a character in a book. I am an orphan. I live with Fagin and the Artful Dodger. The book I appear in was written by Charles Dickens. I am Oliver Twist. I am a carnivore. I like to eat fish and seals. I have thick fur to keep me warm. I live in the Arctic region. I am polar bear. I grow on a plant. I can be eaten in slices or chunks. I am sweet to taste. I am a tropical fruit. I am pineapple. I am a singer-songwriter and actor. I am famous for my pop and country music. I am American. My first #1 single in the United States was called We Are Never Ever Getting Back Together. I am Taylor Swift. I am a collection of buildings. I have a moat. I am located in London. Yeoman warders, also known as beefeaters, guard me. I look after the crown jewels. I am the Tower of London. I am a natural land formation. I am part of the Himalayas. I am around 48 meters high. I am the highest mountain in the world above sea level. I am Mount Everest. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.